So I am working on this planner. I'm working on this planner that's how I would like our house once I once we start building in the Philippines. Um Now I'm not finished yet, but this will be basically the front. Let me see if I can. Oh, I can't back away right now. Well, this I have to even it out, but this is gonna be the garage. So, for example, let me see. For example, this right here is gonna be a gate where we can come in. This is gonna be the garage, so we can just pull in and park the cars. This is gonna be the area, and the fence will be like around right here, all around, of course. Now, if everything goes good, let me see. This right here will be the master bedroom. This, then there's gonna be a door. I still have to put a door right here. Be a door, and then shower here, commode, and to wash your hands, the sink. This one, this one will be the closet. Now I put another door right here because right here and right here it will have a roof. It's not gonna be a room though. It's not gonna be closed. It's just gonna be roof. Have like a little jacuzzi, and then this is another stairs coming from downstairs upstairs. You come in and then have like a let me see. You come in and this can be like well, yeah, this can be the closet right here. Closet, and then a door right here. So let's put the door. We can have the door right there. So come here to the other room. Come here. This is gonna be the room. So after that, we will see. Well, I'm still working on it, but it's gonna be one bedroom, two bedrooms, and then the bedroom underneath, which is this one, that's gonna be the studio with the walkout door, the swimming pool right there. This is gonna have a roof right here. This is where the gym equipment or exercise is gonna be. This door, let's take it to 2D, which is wait, let me go to the first room. We can go first room 3D. Well, anyways, yeah, this is where we at. Whoa, 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 whoa. First room. First room. Well, okay, there's pool right here. You go in here. Once you go in, the kitchen area is gonna be here. Living room is gonna be here. I need to take off this wall, so I'm still learning. Now I'm gonna put a door right here. gonna put a door right here, and then once you come in, we're gonna have the dryer and the washateria stuff right here, and then right here maybe like a folding table or something. But that's how it's looking. Now this one on the first floor, this can be the third room, this can be the guest room or anything like that. And then this right here is gonna be another bathroom. We just have to walk out and walk in. And that or mm, yeah, that's what I'm thinking about so far. So I'm still waiting approval from the future Asawa. So this is what I like. There's a lot of things that we like, but we haven't agreed. But we'll see. Anyways, this is the website if you would like to go into it or whatever. But you know, like the video.